Today, take a look at the TERUNSOUL Dashcam. We got a quick install guide. It's kind of nice. They gave us a little heads up right here on the box. And there is the Dashcam. It's a good looking lens on there. And this has something I always appreciate saying, the nice large adhesive surface on here for sticking to your window. And we have a heavy duty hinge on there. And what's important about that is, especially if your car vibrates a lot, that vibration is going to transfer into your footage if you have a weak little hinge on there. So this is a style of hinge that I prefer. We got our micro SD card there on the back. That is a TERUNSOUL brand, 128 gigabytes. Got some more instructions here on the back. And there is our display. So the neat thing about this one is we have this extra camera built in. So if you don't want to go to the hassle of installing the rear camera right away, we've got the front camera and the rear camera right here. You can just point that out the back window, make that happen. Also great for drivers, anytime you want to have a record of what was going on in the cab. We got a rear cam port right here. We got our USB-C power port right there. This camera does swivel to accommodate whatever angle you need. And then on the bottom, we've got our power and navigation buttons. We got our guide for those buttons. We have some static stickers, which is excellent, so we don't have to stick this adhesive directly onto our windshield. We can place this onto our windshield, and we can stick the camera onto that. We got some quick instructions, how to install it, how to hide the cable, and more info. And then we have our full user manual. So that is in full color. So we got a cleaning cloth. We got an extra adhesive sticker in case we ever want to reuse this. Give us a cleaning wipe for the windshield. We got a mini pry bar for lifting the trim so we can hide our wire. We got some adhesive cable clips so we can lock that cable down. We have got a power supply. So that's just going to plug into your car outlet, and that is going to output USB-C. And that'll output 3 amps at 5 volts. And last up, we've got our rear dash cam that's got a nice long cable on it. And that is a style of rear camera that I prefer. And now you can rotate this guy all the way around 360 degrees. What that means is, if you're putting this on the rear of a truck, that window is going to be facing straight up and down. You're not going to have to worry about this thing pointing kind of off at a weird angle. So you can make that happen however you want. So very happy to see that they did that. So when we plug it in, it will automatically give us the option to format the card. You can hit yes or no. I'm going to format, and we'll just let that guy go. Oh, okay. So right now I only have the 2 cameras. I got my front camera and I got my cab camera. We can see we got a nice looking display on there. That's nice. Yeah, I turn the mute on or off. Lock the video. And take a picture. If we want to shut it off, we can do that. Then plug in the rear camera, and we'll stick the camera right there. Then plug in power, and there we go.